my happy, happy guy. Oh, just a happy, happy, happy guy. Oh, just a look at that, a happy, oh, the happy dog. Oh, just a happy, happy, happy dog. Look at my happy.
Move.
Okay, so if there's 2 squirrels per tree, there might be more.
Who let the dogs out? Who let the dogs out?
I really want it. He's gone. Look, he's gone.
哎呀妈呀，又来一个！
Coolest thing I've ever taught my dog.
Housekeeping. Hey, oh, that's enough.
Whoa! Whoa! It's just a green bean.
My happy, happy guy. Oh, just a happy, happy, happy.
야, 시골이 완전 쫄았어.
Long day, time to see my fluffy dog. Scoo-doo-doo, scoo-doo-doo.
That's a good boy coming in. Oh my god!
What is it? This is how I come upstairs to him sleep on the couch.
I dare you to try to come up from coach and use the first class bathroom.
I leave this here. What this? Gimme. Again VM. Oh no. Unfashionable. Mom, take it off.
John! Give it here, John.
Dog!
얌니.
I had a couple Red Bulls. You ever had a Red Bull? I never had a Red Bull before, but I had a Red Bull last night. I really like Red Bull. I got a new necklace.
Do you know why the universe didn't allow our pets to speak? To teach us that love and loyalty come through actions and not words.
I wanna be your vacuum cleaner. Я хочу быть пылесосом.
Carter! Stop. Carter! No! Okay.
I wonder who ate my fucking food. Who the fuck ate my food? Who was it? I wonder.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Nothing. Me? Just hanging.
No.
Mal für die Emma. Würfeln? Ja.
What are you doing? Chill.
Oh, no, no, no.
Uma parte. Gratidão me dê essa vassoura. Por tudo que for sagrado, me dê, meu filho, pelo amor de Deus.
Did you eat my full joint? Nope. He just fell against the couch.
Got my undies on your head. Why? Why have you got my undies on your head, you fucking crackhead?
Come on. Let's go.
Without my dog, my house would be clean. My wallet would be full. But my heart would be empty.
Excuse me, I need to return my dog. This one's broken. It just plopped down and stopped moving.
Parkour! Michael, parkour! Parkour!
Throw a kitty for you. Yo.
Boy. Move. Daughter. Huh.
Max, che, mira, Max, vamos a bañarnos.
Sit. Go flip. Okay. Yeah.
Go get the ball.
Go get the ball. You were a retriever.
What? What?
Reflect on why I'm here at this point in the process.
He is. He's listening. You're listening, Frankie. Eh?
Ríete.
Put her down on this. You can put her down on that.
She go down this one?
Yeah.
Huh?
Attention. 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 More attention. Attention now, please. Thank you.
Lay down. Lay down. Not like that. Lay down right. Oops. Ouch. Okay. Yeah. Ready. We're ready. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Hi, buddy.
Tenemos de mimón. De mimón, de mamaica.
Yo vine. Fue a esto.
What have you done? Betty, was this you?
Oh wait, what's this? How much is this?
Analyzing content. So like what happens is, for example,
Simba. No, he knows she's smaller. Like I said, he's very curious. But be nice.
Drop that duck. Drop that duck.
I want you to roll over. Okay.
Tess, come on. This way.
¡Ay, Miguel! ¡Miguel! Hey. My dog thinks he's a kitty cat, y'all.
Is that a smile? Can I see? Oh.
Wait! What? Wait!
Yeah, so my entire house is like, tile floors, no curtains, metal furniture, that sort of thing.
Go get it.
Look up.
Oh!
Pra ele fazer essa linhacinha dele, que não adianta, ele só gosta de bola. De bola que ele gosta.
Freya's favorite. Big one, small one.
Oh my god.
Since you took it from me? No. No. Oh, I'm so fired.
Tommy.
Good boy. See? You see me too. Look at his ears, bro.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Nothing. Me? Just hanging around.
Oh my god.
He's just not moving. He just jumped on his back. Oh, good boy.
Enséñale a la chata cómo te hizo el gato los dientes. ¿Así?
Eso.